Village 24 session pan kijing tip namta ki khubor laj kam te kidon ki post ki balaj jongga DSC apo Eastern West Khas Hill District kwa apo Mairang te gilaj kumba arp khandai tali e post te qualification kare nadu classic sejarong te shwawan poi kita te kwa ban pensyai ba pidei ban page bat sngap ha yakni video yijinon kam ke bede bat kini post bat ke ka pidei ban le amde ban kali shwa khambat page pen ko video dengan batai detail bah te page hadok bakut ikni video bat ikjinon kam ki bede bat kini post te kan kanang mi mentamo kan ga dated Mairang 26 February 2024 Government of Meghalaya Office of the Deputy Commissioner Eastern West Khas Hill District Mairang advertisement District Selection Committee Eastern West Khas Hill mak invite application nam ta citizen te kan riasi kila baj baro ban apply mo na we district ro kila ban apply ban apo Eastern West ban nang nuru la open be ya baro kan mau ba te ban apply kan ne la dapong ada mention Menteri Field with restriction the last date for submission application is 26 March kan mau ba mo ka last date kan day arpun rutarik yung banai March arjar psau interested candidate are requested to visit the website westkhasihill.gov.in te nomor ba po Eastern West kimpat don la ka jongka website jongka district te pihak page hapo ka website jongka westkhasihill.gov.in te menta kasni hakan ka por ba mi mangang ada check hapo ka website kimpat dab ban upload kimpat don e te sa page hadin asni laisi te sa check update back ba kin sa pen mi kin sa upload hapo ka website bat bisa la ban apply online te kan ne baro ka debek apply online om don mo offline sngap bah markibun bahagian kali om don offline kan debek online te shwa wat pen apply ru lada pimpat deb register ya lade pihak register shwa ya lade apo ka district selection committee kepada po West Khas Hill marba apo Eastern West kimpat don te pihak register shwa lade kumba pendap hakino kino ki registration lakade te kitu ki bala ada pendap lupa jongka MPSC te idu uju hi shu change tangka office da hajakaban de apor bapi login hajakam nai MPSC pi ainoda DSC West Khas Hill la hi ban login amnon kam shu ban register tadara kan mau ru ban da update ye ki jonan kam nyopi apo ka website kan mau ba ma hi qualification ke baro kan ban update te ki par register bade pihak register soal de apo ka website jongka DSC ma tengin page mentang ne ki jon ki post ki balai mankong kanim of post ke lower division assistant gadon khatway tali ki post kane ke level 5 URR tali khasi janjabat garu khandai te baro kalong khatway tali ki post te gine bede pass class 10 bat ki dibandon ru ya ka computer knowledge with typing speed not less than 30 words per minute takmut ba phap don be ya ka computer certificate mai kane class 10 pass tang ba dibandon be ya ka computer certificate mar on computer knowledge with typing speed takam don certificate mlawan eligible gram sevak don lai tali ki post kaner di level 5 kawe you are tali khas janjab garu te baro long lai tali ki post kane be class 10 pass gram sevika kane tang kawe ka post neru level 5 te tangga you are neru class 10 pass enforcement checker lai tali ki post kane di level 4 kawe namta you are tali khas jantia te lai tali SSLC pass with computer knowledge kane don kam computer knowledge ma enforce checker abang ne computer knowledge nada long ru ban apply ke pass class 10 rei kham jidi ke badon ya ka computer knowledge takmut ba don kam be ya ka computer certificate la de ka balai banai ne ka ban ru banai ru don kam certificate mandal tangkawi ke post you are turu class 10 pass driver artali level 3 tangkawi ke post you are bat kawi khasi jantia ban garu kebut baya mix mara ka DSC ki khilang haju te long artali ki post te class 6 pass driver de class 6 pass baro bon class 10 sudah enumerator tangkawi ke post kaner de you are class 10 pass but grade 4 new tali ki post lai tali nam ta you are open ben south tali nam ta khasi jantia garu ya mix te baro gilong new tali te kaneru de class 6 pass te baro ki post ki don kumba ar pho khandai tali te sngap ha se ki jinon kam ki bede kane telangal da batang itu baro de class 10 pass bet mo class 10 but class 6 kini arteli post de class 6 pass ha pass be class 6 แต่บัน apply กันเนี่ยพี่ apply online กันมาว่างเราได้บัตรในดูนี่ของว่า apply online done offline มั้ง candidate who wanted to apply เนี่ย ada mention are required to register themselves with DSC District Selection Committee through the website westkhasil.gov.in Service District Selection Committee. Ada phim dapat ban register yala de pihak register shua hakane ke website westkhasil.gov.in Service/District Selection Committee pihak register shua de pandap ki detail ki age ki name ki age baro banan ka ka qualification jong pi pass class ayu baro ha pandap malah kan pandap kita pinam la ban apply kan mau te kibal ada ban apply te amdon kamshu kibal ada ban register lang ba ka MPSC te kala ada ka ju hi shu login ben la long hi using valid email pidem don email registered candidate can apply by login to the respective account using the registered email ID don kami email ID don kami number phone te age limit pada kadebe khat phra hadu live r tang ba plus sans name kan long bai khat phra hadu live punyo ya borok ki post mo khat phra hadu live punyo nam ta ki SC ST nam ta open kadebe khat phra hadu live r as on 1/1/2024 yang tul I operation limit relaxable by 5 years. Take date of birth ke ibaro kan page naka ma neong enter the matriculation secondary living certificate or a certificate recognized by Indian University kan page naki certificate ma. Then nganam da batai thani gitu gitu dan online payment tahap su mo ya ne. Kamdai ka free te nam ta ki UR ka dai be shispa tengka te nam ta ki SCST yang i khasi kadai sanpo tengka kawai kapus telah dapat apply baro nyau teli kapus siap siu kumta kan san nyau live san live pak sanpo kumta te sanpo tengka kawai kapus ma is required to be paid by using one of the following mode of payment available in the online application akapor bi apply kan don kan ki application pilaban siu internet banking dan pilaban siu dak card ru kala ban accept. The candidate has to be an additional charge extra dalam kamthan. The person with physical disabilities application examination fee is exempted. Teyaki person with disability amnon kamban siu by exam. Exempted tang ba kiaban furnish day ya kataka disability certificate to the DSC. Tang ba hapora pendap adon hi option ba pide PWD ne pide not PWD terel dapitik PWD kemudian ba amnon kamban siu syu. Kapisa anda adap siu amdon refund show refund show kan mau kata candidate are advised to go through instruction carefully online payment okay to adon kono error ba kimdon responsible mo ka DSC inda adap siu ada kimdon ka mi ka jing siu kana kamdon no ong ba kamdon responsibility no application will say after due date katul adap ong lupa government employee are to produce NOC kibal adap tray government lupa kab NOC when call for personal interview. The instruction nam taban pandap online application te akan ada ayulpa te ngatrai phila nang hi te phila ban le chiki cyber kin sa pandap e phi la ne phila ban le hi la da phinang pandap hi na pok phone ru la da phinang kabiang la da phim nang kabha ban le be pok cyber pha eki ong ban don kam ban register ban pandap bi kini post kan mau ka kerteng ga jong phi ke email ga jong phi pandap nomor phone ga jong phi using valid email ID. The email ID will be as for further correspondence of the office nomor ba lada can send AAP can send bilang ba email ID jinon community can send bilang ba email kamsuk. A unique application code will be generated for each of the posts applied. Application code will be used for all future correspondence. So I code ikti post will apply. Okay kadoro pi upload kini ge baro mdaron kam than. Candidate must appear for the examination test and has own expense katu telas tu hi ya hablet to exam na kajing lut na ladehi don kamanu selected candidate must be willing to serve in any part of the Eastern West kadhe po Eastern West tik hap trebik hangno ru kabade bi hapo Eastern West. Okay candidate are advised to keep track of their application tidak kan mau ba ia ki letter negi bro mentakim nom sensu phap update hi dalade kemud ba phap check hi hapo website jong kana ka westkhasil.gov.in man kapor lano kami admit card lano ke baro phap check hi lada kawan message lang ba ke email te biang lada muan phap update himan kapor bat insa pha download hinang tu hi Pendai ong candidate advised to refer to the website and notice board for update nam taki update phap page website man kapor kene westkhasil.gov.in. Kini individual call letter na admit card will not be issued phap ban download hi ben ensure that can pha bet menta bde kin nom pha shup haban page hina po website also download. Candidate may also apply through Cyber Cafe and Common Service Center or visit DSC branch in the office of the Deputy Commissioner Eastern West for guidance in filling the online application for and payment. Yang ne ki ai option kan ba khatar ki ong ba fill up and apply ling ba Cyber Cafe ane ki Common Service Center ki badon man lag shinong ki ba site don make ne ki CSC. Lan ne fill up and like visit ru hapo DSC branch office of the Deputy Commissioner Eastern West Khasi Hill for guidance. Bakin ya rap AP ban guide ban filling ban pendap ya kata online application ban siu pisah. Tetangkan ni tekan mau kene kadai arpun rutarik menta kasnihi kinang pelat ya kene ka advertisement. Te 4 don ngan batai ba ha kene ka bang pelat menta kasni hapo ka website 4 don 4 pen mi po website adu bang ayo ya kene ka city. Te ne lada pha copy rumah DPR West Khasi Hill District Information Standard West Khasi Hill Block Development SDRO Office tersebut tingin sa airu akan newspaper in one English and Khasi newspaper kin sa airu city tengah try la syai kin sa mi po news poki kot khubar tekitu ki ko apan apply kan mau haban update hi po official website westkhasi.gov.in then hakan ne por bangala ada pelaj kan video kim part update po official website bisa check po asngi lesngi do bakenda update bat bisa laban apply te tanggi ne jing betip ngatrai pila syai gijon kamera baro kada be si online don offline ma online sanpot nga ko ga push do don pratali push te kan long saus wat tingka la da pi apply load baro sau terli abro pratali la apply tang sau kan wa la ka jong la apply tar tanggi ne ngatrai pila syai kijing batai jongan am tanggi push ki balaj tanggi ne khulejuan